Yeah. More. It slows it down. My name is Vadim, and this is a SU-27. It's a twin-engine airframe. I'm flying it with my IX-20 radio. It has Zikoi 180s, and actually this is my 6th flight, still dialing it in. So this was basically a remade and maiden. The response is unbelievable. I took off with half flaps, by the way.
That's fine. Oh, that's still nice. Don't hit it yet till you're going normal. Level off.
Gear up.
Yeah, go on now.
Gears up. 6 brake 45%.
Come on, boys. Yes.
Yeah, baby.
Yes. Yes.
Good job.
Yes, baby. Thank me, Lord.
Yeah. Now fly this airplane. That
I
went
knew
well.
that.
You did it. All right. We did it. There's 2 airplanes coming out of the van now. One is gonna release, the other one's coming through. Yeah.
Should I turn on thrust vectoring?
Not yet.
Not yet.
That's too low.
Yeah.
Take it up higher, and then we can start doing a little bit of thrust.
Okay.
You clear the jet. Go up a little higher. Keep it at that altitude. Don't let it come down. Now you can, when it's over us, who's flying that?
I don't know.
3 minutes,
That's somebody over there.
Frame 9.
Can I go up?
Yes. Pretty good. We've been
Time
videotaping.
remaining 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Okay. Oh yeah, that was damn good.
Okay.
Or you want to do the speed break?
Oh, I want to do the speed brake.
Huh?
Speed brake. Well, let me do thrust vectoring. Okay, thrust vector on. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Huh? Major difference?
Oh, wow.
What do you just do?
With thrust vectoring.
It's on?
Yeah. So responsive on the tail.
Frames 12. Minutes 11 seconds.
I'm going to land with thrust vectoring on. Okay, should I start setting up?
You're ready to come down?
Yeah,
Okay. You're not going to test the speed break.
not yet. Well, I am, actually.
Watch this
What the fuck?
video. The bird, man.
Oh.
Came right
Thrust
down.
vector off.
Turn it off.
Yeah, all right, speed brake on.
You really need to put it back. That's really gonna make that mistake.
Gears down.
Gears down.
Give me 2 clicks up elevator.
Frame 7.
It
frame
really slows it down. 2 clicks down elevator. Oh no, I'm sorry, up
What?
elevator.
2 clicks up elevator.
Yeah, more. It slows it down.
Good. I see it.
Half flap. 2 clicks up elevator. Okay. I'm gonna land.
Looks like the speed brake is pushing the airplane down.
Yeah, I'm gonna land.
Yeah. Headwind straight down the runway.
Don't come off the throttle until you
Signal
reach the
strength
edge of the
18%.
runway.
Hey. Keep it straight, baby. Keep it
Brakes on. Brakes on. Brakes on. Brakes
straight.
I solved it.
Yeah.
The gear door issue.
Yeah, you solved the whole
Remount the servos.
thing. So you didn't have any reaction when you deployed the speed brakes.
It slowed down.
That's it.
That's
didn't-
it.
Didn't do anything.
That's it. I landed at half flap. It wasn't even full flap.
Yeah, you don't
So what
really
the
need
speed
full
brake
flap.
does, it doesn't kick the nose up, doesn't change angle of attack.
Slow it down.
It just more drag
Free drag.
and maintains CG.
Right.
Now it did give me, it's pushing the nose down,
Down,
which is
yeah.
good.
Right.
So I like to be on up elevator when I'm landing.
I'm seeing something weird right
So far so good. It flew great. I'm very happy with the performance and hoping to get many more safe landings and great flights with this beauty.